Flight 1129 will now be departing from Gate 1P. This is a gate change announcement only.
Do you desire a place to get away? How about we? The fun continues on the forest moon of Endor, where you'll sleep under the stars with the lovable Ewoks in their charming tribal villages. To book yours today.
No, clear. Computer, destination active.
I love security, especially the part where I catch humans doing things they shouldn't.
Hold it right there, Captain.
I'm not actually the captain. This is madness! Don't you dare make the jump to light speed! Where are we now?
Vital to the survival of the rebellion and to your star speeder. You must see her safely delivered to the coordinates I'm transmitting to your R2 unit. This is our most desperate hour. Help me start tours.
I wasn't programmed for this! What we've been through?
We're on your deck, Captain.
Captain, glad to be of service. Well, we're all in the Rebel Alliance now, so may the Force be with us. And thank you for flying.
Takes 24 hours for the world to turn once, but only 2 seconds to like or subscribe to see great future content from Steve's World UK.